Hey guys, we are back for another video to help you learn more about your tools. Once again, we are using Google Sheets for our work today, and we will be showing you how to delete all duplicated data away in order to help you be more organized and thorough regarding your data collection. Now let's walk you through the process. We are here onto our worksheets, which contains a few lists of names, birthdays, and hometowns. Quickly, I can show you how to highlight all your duplicated data. First, we have to highlight the cells and columns themselves on where we want to work with. Let's start with our column containing all the names. Then we either head to the Format tab up top or right-click on the highlighted field in order to look for what's called the Conditional Formatting button. From there, we will be putting in our conditions, which is set like so, in order to get us to highlight every cell entry that has duplicated data. And there you go. These are all our data that has one or more entries with the exact same thing. In order to get them to disappear quickly within a few clicks on your mouse, first highlight your preferred column or row to start with and go straight to the toolbar at the top of your screen. And click on Data and go all the way to Data Cleanup. From there, you have a few options to choose from. You can go ahead and click on the Remove Duplicates button instead. You can also do this by highlighting on your whole worksheet as well and repeating the same process of removing your duplicates. There you go. You now know how to easily remove duplicated data from your Google worksheet. Thank you so much for tuning in.